So hello friends, in this video today we will discuss why the work done by gravity is zero. Okay, so let's talk about it. So suppose there is a body, a good body. So the body is raised to a height, say h. Now you will see a body will always exert a force downwards, which is the mass into the acceleration due to gravity, which is nothing but the weight. Here also it will exert the weight. So now if we see the body has done a displacement in this direction h and is exerting the mass into gravity, the weight in the opposite direction. So one thing can be said from this. So I am clearing this page a bit. I am writing it downwards. So one thing can be said that there are some anti-parallel lines. You know about anti-parallel lines. The displacement is like this and the force is acting in this direction. So the angle between them is always 180 degree. Okay, and cos 180 degree is -1. Thus we can get the work done by the gravity is always minus of mgh, negative mgh. It is minus mgh. So this is the concept why it is minus mgh. Hope it is clear right now. So one more thing to add up with the concept, why cos 180 degree is 1. Okay, because we have understood why work done by gravity is negative, because cos 180 degree is -1. But why it is -1, let's talk about it. I'm just deleting this to create space. Okay, so you have to understand something. All sine, cos, tan, in the first quadrant every trigonometric that functions is positive. In the second quadrant only sine is positive. In the third quadrant cos is positive, and the fourth quadrant tan is positive. So cos 180 degree we can write it as 180 degree minus 90 degree. Okay, sorry, my bad, my mistake. Cos 180 degree we can write it as to understand the value of cos 180, why it is -1. You have to tell me one thing, what is cos 0? It is 1. Okay, so cos 180 we can write it as cos 90 into 2 minus 0. You can write it as like this, and 2 is a even number, so it will retain its ratio, that is 1. Cos 0 is 1, we are separating 0. Okay, but 180 degree is in this quadrant, and in this quadrant only sine can be positive, cos cannot, so we will put the -1 here. And this is the concept why cos 180 degree is -1. Thank you guys.